What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Park Mazda. Today we're taking a look at the 2012 Dodge Journey Canadian Value Package in this awesome white colorway. The Canadian Value Package here in front of us does have the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. You get your 5 seats, quite a few features inside, so let's go take a look at those. One of my favorite features about the 2012 Journey here, you do have your advanced keyless entry. Nice easy tap to lock. Put your hand behind the handle here, it unlocks. Very easy to get in and out. You got that proximity key, which is super nice once you have it. You got your soft touch armrest, your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, automatic for the driver. Storage in the door panel here as well. You are equipped with black cloth upholstery with this nice textured design throughout the whole Journey. But as we get into the Journey, let's take a look around. Now that we're inside the Journey here, you do get the push button start in the 2012 here, so starts right up, nice and easy, no hesitance at all. On the left hand side of the steering column, you're going to find your light control, so you do have your headlights here with the dimmer switch as well, so you can turn that on all the way up, turns on the interior lighting, so you can do that if needed. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to find a multi-directional pad, up, down arrows, side arrow, and back arrow. You also do have your volume rocker and multimedia controls on the back of both sides of the steering wheel. On the right side of the steering wheel, you do get the cruise control settings here, of course, and now up to the tachometer gauges. You have the RPM gauge, your speedometer, your oil temperature, as well as your fuel gauge, but you do have a digital display here right in the middle, and with that digital display you can see a bunch of different information. So you do have all the different information here. So starting at the top, you can see what is currently playing on your multimedia, so you can see 101.1 is playing. You can tap to the right, go into the fuel economy, you can see what's that at. You can see the vehicle speed, so you can go in here and see the vehicle speed, a digital speedometer, which is very nice. Quick, easy way to tell your speed. You have your trip info, your tire pressure monitor, so you can go in there and see the actual tire pressure, which is also really nice for each tire. Different vehicle info here as well for the coolant temperature, your oil temperature, your transmission temp, your engine hours there as well. And then you can go into the messages. If there is any alerts or anything, it will show up, and then you can turn the menu off if you want to as well. So you have those different options. The vehicle speed is awesome there. Same with the tire pressure monitor for each tire. But moving over to the infotainment screen here. With the infotainment, you do have the touch screen, so you can go in and switch between AM and FM radio stations. You can tap the radio button here. You can tap the player, and the player is going to bring you to your CD or your USB and auxiliary, as you do get that as well. You also can connect your phone through Bluetooth, but you do have the climate control here, and then you can tap in, change the fan speed nice and easily there, so you can change it either like that, hit done. You can change the temperature. You do have that dual zone climate control as well, so you can have one side warmer than the other. You can have them synced up if you want, just like that. Front and rear window frosters, turn on your AC. You can also turn off the climate there. You can turn it back on nice and easily there as well. Different settings here, you can go through and see the different settings very easily. You can go into the more tab as well and see the outside temperature and the time there as well, or you can turn the screen off. And I said it does have Bluetooth. I am mistaken, it does not have the Bluetooth connectivity, but you do have the USB and auxiliary, which is awesome. Storage down below here, you do have the climate control, front and rear window defrosters, so everything that we just went through now in physical buttons. So you do have the physical buttons for the dual zone as well here, fan speed, and then you have your tune control beside that and your volume rocker. Below that, you're going to find your CD drive, and below that you got a 12 volt with a deep storage container, 2 cup holders, and then your drive mode here, so you can go into drive, or you can put it into the manual shift mode and use the slap shifter. And with Dodge, they do put it to the side instead of up and down, so it's a little bit different than most slap shifters. But you do have a leather armrest here. This opens up, and this provides you your USB and auxiliary connection there for your phone, so you can connect your phone nice and easily. 12 volt down there, lots of storage, 2-layer storage there as well. Your front air vents all the way around, your lights on and off here as well. But let's go take a look at the outside of the Canadian Value Package Journey. So you do get the black mirrors there, but moving down to the headlights, you have your bright headlights, nice black and chrome front grille for the Journey. You do have that Dodge badging up front there as well. It does look very sporty with the nice hood lines around the Journey here. Coming to the side, you're going to find your Dodge wheel covers on your steel wheels, on your Firestone tires that are almost brand new. It looks like they still have the little treads on them there, which is always good to see. Coming to the back, of course, we have your advanced keyless entry, but in the back you also do get the advanced keyless entry of the Journey. So you have the Journey badge, the Dodge badge, and on the left hand side here you can lock and unlock. So you can lock and unlock the vehicle from the back, and then you have your handle on the right hand side of the lift gate. So it lifts open. You don't have to push it open at all. It has the springs there, which is very nice. Opens very efficiently. In the back you have tons of storage here. So the Journey does come in 2 options. This one is the 5-seater, so you do get this abundant amount of storage. So you can fold this up, lift that up, and you can see how much storage you do get in the back there. That is below the actual storage, so you can fold this back out nice and easily, and then you have your storage, and then you can fold the seats down in that 60-40 split if needed. You do have your storage on the right hand side, a 12 volt on the left hand side here as well. But let's go take a look at the rear seating. Now on the rear door panel here, you're going to have the same soft touch armrest, power window controls, handle there as well. Storage in the door panel with a cup holder, lots of legroom in the back here as well, as you can fold down this middle seat here, and it does fold down the whole cushion, providing a nice soft touch armrest on this side, as well as you do have the cup holders in the headrest, so you're not going to lose any comfort in that middle seat. It's going to be very comfortable for that middle passenger. You have your WeatherTech mats here in the back that do fit, they're nice and fitted. You also do get them in the front, as I forgot to mention, but you have different options for the seat here. You have your different folding modes, as well as you do have a sliding mode here as well, so you can pull this up and then slide it. It is a 2-hand maneuver to do that, but you do have that ton of legroom in the back with the pocket on the driver's seat and a 12 volt there as well. Thank you for watching the quick overview of the 2012 Dodge Journey. If you have any questions about this Canadian Value Package Journey, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you can find out all the information about this Journey, as well as book this vehicle for a qualified test drive. With a qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. We hope to see you guys soon, and have a great rest of your day.